Good morning, everyone. I'm Tommy, your coach today. Think about the first thing you do when you wake up. Maybe you grab your phone, or maybe you rush out the door. But what if I told you that the first words you say can completely change the path of your day, your week, and even your life? Today, we have an exciting and very important topic for all of us. It's about how we start our morning can impact our entire life. Many of us let the world decide how we feel. Today, we are flipping that script. We're talking about intentional living, how to choose your mindset before your feet even hit the floor. Tired of waking up feeling like something is missing? Tired of starting the day with a mind full of noise? Tired of wasting mornings and wasting life? What if I told you that you could wake up tomorrow feeling amazing, and the only thing you need is a simple morning routine to tell yourself in the morning? Maybe when you hear the words morning routine, you think about exercise, meditation, or checking your phone. But what I'm going to share with you today is different. It's about how the way you start your morning can completely transform your ability to learn, practice, and improve your English. And more importantly, how it can shape your future. And the only thing you need is 8 simple sentences. We've put together 8 simple, powerful sentences, easy to remember, quick to say. These aren't just feel-good phrases. They are mental habits that build resilience, confidence, and focus. Get ready to learn the 8 tiny habits that create big success, starting the moment you open your eyes. These sentences will reprogram your mind, make you feel happier, and help you have a great day. So, find a comfortable space, take a gentle breath, and let's get into it. Okay. Listen, success starts with how you think. If you constantly tell yourself it's too late, too hard, or not possible, you've already lost. But when you shift your thinking, start expecting great things, preparing for great things, and working toward great things, that's when success starts chasing you back. Mindset isn't everything, but it's the foundation of everything. What is holding you back from achieving your goal in life? What's holding you back from learning English? What is holding you back from making money? Is it fear? Is it lack? Is it past experience? Having a positive mindset can sort out all these negative thoughts and obstacles and greatly change your life for good. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'm going to share 8 sentences you should tell yourself every morning.
Number 1. Today is going to be a great day. Say this the moment you wake up. This is the foundation. It's not about being naive. It's about active, positive anticipation. Think of your mind as a sophisticated GPS. When you input the destination, great day, your subconscious starts looking for proof and opportunities to make that true. By simply saying this, you are priming your brain to notice the sunshine, the small successes, and the kind gestures, rather than automatically scanning for problems. This sentence immediately shifts your energy from passive waiting to proactive expectation. Even if things have been hard, you can still make it a great day with your attitude. It doesn't matter what is going to happen. When you start your day with this sentence, you will find something great. A famous brain doctor, Dr. Daniel Amen, says this to himself every single morning. He says you have to program your brain, and this is how you start. You are telling your brain to look for the good. Now you might be thinking,
Tommy,
what if I have a hard day, like a funeral? Saying today will be great doesn't mean you ignore the hard thing. It means you are choosing to find good moments within the hard day, like hugging a friend or sharing a happy memory. Sentence number 2. Something cool is going to happen for me today. This sentence is about inviting excitement and curiosity into your life. It encourages you to live the day with open eyes and a sense of childlike wonder. It could be a small win, a perfect parking spot, a helpful conversation, or a brilliant idea. Or it could be something big. When you expect something cool, you elevate your awareness, making you much more likely to recognize and receive the unexpected gifts the day offers. It turns the ordinary into a treasure hunt. Right now, you probably wake up expecting something bad to happen. Let's do the opposite. Let's assume something cool will happen. This turns your day into an adventure. It makes your brain look for the cool things, like bumping into an old friend or getting a funny text. When you expect good things, you notice them more. Sentence 3. No matter what happens today, I can handle it. This one is for anyone who worries or feels anxious. Anxiety is often just you doubting your ability to handle something. This sentence fights that feeling directly. You are telling your brain, stop worrying. I can handle whatever comes my way. This is the pillar of resilience. Life isn't always smooth, and this sentence acknowledges that reality without surrendering your power. It's a mental fire drill, assuring yourself that you possess the inner resources, your past experiences, your wisdom, and your strength to navigate any potential challenge. It moves you out of a place of fear and into a place of calm, confident preparedness. You are affirming your own incredible capacity to adapt and overcome. For example, if your boss emails, "We need to talk," your brain might panic, but the new you will say, "I don't know what it's about, but no matter what, I can handle it." This makes you feel strong and resilient.
An exciting new chapter in my life is starting today. Every single sunrise offers a genuine opportunity for a fresh start. This sentence helps you break free from the baggage of yesterday. It inspires a sense of novelty and forward momentum. By defining today as the beginning of an exciting new chapter, you are encouraging big-picture thinking and consciously choosing to step toward your goals. It helps you prioritize the actions that support the person you are becoming, rather than staying stuck in old routines. This sentence tells your brain to look for a fresh start. You are choosing to turn the page. You don't have to wait for something big to happen to start a new chapter. You can start one today. Why? Because your brain looks for what you tell it to. If you tell it a new chapter is starting, it will help you find new opportunities. Sentence 5. I need to give myself more credit for how hard I'm trying. We are often our own harshest critics. This affirmation introduces the vital element of self-compassion and validation. It's a pause button that reminds you to look at your efforts, not just the final result. Acknowledging your hard work and commitment, even when you stumble, builds internal strength and prevents burnout. Giving yourself credit is the act of being your own best advocate, which is essential for sustained motivation and a healthy sense of self-worth. You are trying so hard every single day, but you probably only focus on the one thing you didn't do. It's time to stop that. Give yourself credit for all the things you are doing: getting out of bed, getting to work, answering emails, being a good friend. You are your own most important cheerleader. Don't wait for other people to praise you. Praise yourself. Sentence 6. I'm allowed to be a work in progress. This sentence is a powerful antidote to perfectionism and the pressure to have everything figured out. It normalizes learning, growth, and imperfection. Saying this gives you permission to make mistakes without judgment. When you see yourself as a work in progress, you transform errors into valuable feedback. It fosters a growth mindset, which is the most critical ingredient for lifelong learning and personal development. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have it all figured out. It's okay to be messy and make mistakes. This sentence gives you permission to be human and to keep learning and growing. Sentence 7. If I keep showing up, life will reward me. This is a deep affirmation of consistency and faith. It's the understanding that success is rarely a single moment of brilliance. It's the cumulative result of simply showing up every day and putting in the work. This statement gives weight and meaning to your daily habits. It reminds you that effort is never wasted, and that persistence, even on the tough days, activates the universal law of momentum, leading inevitably to breakthroughs and positive outcomes. It's easy to want to quit when things are hard or boring. This sentence gives you hope and stamina. Every successful person got where they are because they didn't quit. They kept showing up. If you just keep doing the work, life will reward you. Maybe not today, but it will. And finally, sentence 8. I have an important contribution to make to the world. This is the sentence of purpose and significance. It shifts the focus from what you can get to what you can give. Whether your contribution is through your professional skills, your kindness to a stranger, your parenting, or your creativity, this statement reinforces your value as a human being. Recognizing your personal significance not only boosts your self-esteem, but also inspires you to act with greater intention, passion, and service throughout the day. You matter. There is only one you in 8 billion people. Your kindness, your ideas, your story, they all matter. Your contribution can be simple: being in a good mood, being kind to the barista, sharing this podcast with a friend. When you say this sentence, you remind yourself that you have something special to give. Now the question is, how do you use these sentences? Simply say them out loud in the morning, every morning. This makes them more powerful. Or write them down in a journal. Writing helps your brain remember. Do this for 30 to 60 days. It takes time to build a new habit. You've spent your whole life learning to worry. You can give this a few weeks. Remember, if you don't program your brain on purpose, it will get programmed by other things, like bad news, worries, and negative thoughts. These 8 sentences are your tool to take control. You can develop the skill of being in a good mood for no reason at all, and that will change your life. So there you have them. 8 simple sentences you can say to yourself in the morning. They take less than 60 seconds to say, but they build a foundation that lasts all day long. Think of these sentences like armor for your mind. They protect you from negativity, remind you of your strength, and point you toward possibilities. Remember, changing your life doesn't require a massive shift. It requires daily intentional moments. Your mind is listening to everything you say. Your challenge today is simple. Pick one sentence that resonates most with you and commit to saying it every morning this week. Start small. Start today. You have the power to decide how your day will go. Take that power, use these words, and watch how quickly your life begins to change for the better. Thank you. I'm so glad we got to do this together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. By doing so, it will reach a wider audience. Subscribe to our channel if you have not. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.